These are my top 9 bullish candlesticks that you are going to want to learn today. We're going to start off with the hammer. And so essentially what the hammer is, well, it looks exactly like a hammer. There is a big long body, or they're not even that big of a body, but there's a big long wick with it right here. And essentially what this indicates, this is a reversal. And so basically what's happening here is that there is a lot of buyers that stepped in on this candle. So there was a lot of buyers down here stepped in. They said, we're not going to continue to go down. We're actually going to reverse. And so this is what this candle represents. And so the next one will be right here. And typically what you'll see here is a nice reversal pattern. The second one we're going to go is the inverted hammer. This is the same deal, only it is reversed. And so here we actually have it where this could potentially be a downside move, where you'll typically see something like this where the price will be going up, and then it'll actually form a inverted hammer, and then it will reverse. Next one we're going to go to is the bullish engulfing. The bullish engulfing, what is that? So this is the first candle. This is the second candle here. What it is it is engulfing it. And so essentially what that means is here's the body of the first one. Here's the body of the second one. It is engulfing the entire candle. And essentially it is almost double here. It's almost double this entire candle. And what that represents is that there could be a potential move back to the upside. There was sell movement, there was selling pressure, and then now we actually saw a nice green candle here, and green means go a lot of the times, and this represents a nice reversal signal right there. Another one you'll see, and these are actually very interesting. What you'll typically see a lot of these in a longer, basically a longer term support. So there'll be support down here, and basically there'll be candles all the way to the left, and there'll be a nice support level here. And typically what you'll see is a nice reversal pattern here, where price typically comes down and then it reverses, goes back to the upside. So that's tweezer bottoms. Another one I love is rising 3 methods. This is a very interesting, complex pattern. You don't really see it typically like this, but it's a nice green candle followed by 3, basically a pullback and then another reversal. What this means is there was a big, strong move followed by 3 downward candles, which is a bearish sign, but then the bulls step right back in. Typically what you see here is this is a nice breakout, and you'll typically see that continue to go to the upside. So that is a continuation. Another one here is a morning star, and this is more when there's big question marks in the market. There's a big question marks, and there is a lot of selling pressure, and then followed by uncertainty, and then a lot of buying pressures. Typically you'll see this, and you could see a nice reversal pattern here. A lot of the times you will see continuation to the sideways until it finally forms a direction. So that is the morning star. 3 stars to the south. This is not a lot of people know about this. Essentially what this is this is 1, 2, 3 candles here. And this is just more of a lot of times you'll see this, it'll go down, and then what will typically happen, you'll see another candle here, here, before you finally see a nice reversal to the upside. Basically what it's doing is it's winding up. This is a winding up pattern, and typically what you'll see is a nice bullish continuation from there. And then lastly, the bullish mat hold. The bullish mat hold, essentially what this is, there's a big strong move up, and then basically profit taking, and then what you'll see here is another buy move coming in right here at this breakout. And what you'll typically like to see here is a nice continuation to the upside. So those are some of my most favorite bullish patterns in the market. If you like this, give a quick little thumbs up, maybe a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.